Hello students, welcome to Showup Sir classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a question, that is the conditional distribution of random variable x given y equals to small y is given by this now and the. So now how do we solve it? Now, so in order to solve it, first I will write down. So g x comma y is equals to f x given y h y, which is equals to e to the power minus y, this is given y to the power x divided by x factorial e to the power minus y. So now which can also be written as function of x equals to 0 to infinity integration e to the power minus 2y y to the power x divided by x factorial dy is equals to 1 by x factorial integration of 0 to limit goes to 0 to infinity e to the power minus 2y y to the power x dy, which is equals to 1 by x factorial into x factorial by 2x plus 1. So what did we do here? I will ask you to go through it once for 1 minute, then I'll explain it. First read the question carefully. That is the conditional distribution of random variable x given y is given by this, and marginal probability density of y is given by y e to the power minus y, where x is a discrete variable and that is x equals to 0, 1, 2 and y is continuous. So y is greater than equals to 0. So we have to show that marginal distribution of x is geometric. So how did we do it? So I'll ask you to go through it once for 1 minute, then I'll explain it further. So I hope you guys got it. So I'll repeat it again. First we have taken g bracket x comma y and f x given y h y is equals to e to the power minus y y to the power x, as you can see it is given, and we have taken e y, which is the probability density, that is marginal probability density of this. So conditional distribution is this function of this into the marginal probability density. So we have to know conditional distribution of x is this. When you multiply conditional probability distribution with marginal probability density, which is this, so the marginal distribution of x, we found it to be the multiplication of this. So from here we can say that we have found it to be equals to this. So from we have just multiplied it and we have find the function of x, which is given by this. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, we could not get into the nitty-gritties of all this, how this takes place. So in order to know more about this kind of sums and in order to know more about mathematical statistics questions, I'll be giving you my number. You can simply WhatsApp me, which is 983679 3076, or you can also go to our website, which which is www.shouravsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials for mathematical statistical questions. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.